The blue duiker is a small species of antelope native to Central and Southern Africa. It is one of the smallest antelope species in the world. Blue duikers are classified as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, their populations can be threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting for bush meat. Localized declines can occur in areas with high hunting pressure. Blue duikers are found in several countries in the western, southern, and eastern parts of Africa. They live in a variety of forests, including old-growth, secondary, and gallery forests. Forests are preferred as these provide duikers with shelter through the dense understory and forage through the canopy. They can also be found in pockets of degraded and regenerated forests. Blue duikers have a distinctive bluish-gray or bluish-brown fur, which gives them their common name. This coloration is more pronounced on their back and sides. They have a white underbelly and often exhibit white patches on their cheeks and throat. These white markings can vary in intensity among individuals. Blue duikers have a compact and slender build. They are adapted for a life in the understory of forests and dense vegetation. They have short, coarse fur and relatively short legs. Their bodies are designed for agility and maneuverability in their dense habitat. These blue duikers are one of the smallest antelope species in the world. Adult blue duikers typically stand about 30 to 40 centimeters tall at the shoulder. They have a body length of approximately 40 to 45 centimeters. Adult blue duikers are quite lightweight. Their weight can vary, but they typically weigh between 3 and 6 kilograms. Males and females are similar in size and weight. Blue duikers are primarily solitary animals. They typically forage and live alone, with minimal social interaction. They are known for their secretive and elusive behavior, often avoiding contact with other individuals. Despite being solitary, blue duikers are territorial and mark their territories with scent markings. Both males and females may establish and defend territories, which they mark with urine and glandular secretions. These territories are relatively small and can overlap with the territories of neighboring duikers. Blue duikers are primarily crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. They are well adapted to low-light conditions, with large eyes that help them see in dim light. Blue duikers are preyed upon by a range of predators, including leopards, African golden cats, and various birds of prey. To evade predators, they rely on their small size, agility, and secretive behavior. When threatened, they may freeze in place or quickly dart into dense vegetation to escape. Blue duikers are not known for their speed. They are relatively slow-moving animals, especially when compared to larger and faster antelope species. Their small size and build are not adapted for running at high speeds. Instead, they rely on other survival strategies, such as their ability to navigate through dense vegetation, their cryptic coloration, and their secretive behavior, to evade predators. When threatened, blue duikers are more likely to use their agility and ability to dart into dense undergrowth rather than trying to outrun their predators. Their small size and maneuverability allow them to quickly disappear into the safety of the forest underbrush, which is their primary defense against predators like leopards, African golden cats, and birds of prey. Blue duikers can produce high-pitched whistles. These whistles are often used for communication between individuals and may serve as contact calls. When alarmed or disturbed, blue duikers may emit a series of barks. These barks can serve as an alarm call to alert nearby duikers to potential threats. They also may make chirping sounds, especially during interactions with other duikers, whether for territorial disputes or during the breeding season. During encounters or interactions with other duikers, such as territorial disputes or courtship, blue duikers may emit low grunting sounds. Blue duikers are known to feed on a variety of fruits when they are in season. They may consume a range of fruits from trees and shrubs found in their habitat. Fruits provide important nutrients and energy for their diet. They also browse on leaves from various plants. They may feed on young, tender leaves and shoots as well as mature leaves, depending on what is available and palatable. They may eat flowers from different plant species. Flowers can be a source of nectar and pollen, as well as a food source rich in nutrients. In some cases, blue duikers may dig for tubers and roots, especially in the dry season when other food sources may be scarce. These underground parts of plants can provide them with additional sustenance. Blue duikers are opportunistic feeders and may consume small invertebrates such as insects, spiders, and other arthropods, as well as fungi when encountered. Blue duikers are known to form monogamous pairs for breeding. A male and a female may come together to mate and share a territory. These pairs often consist of an adult male and an adult female. The gestation period for blue duikers typically lasts about 4 to 6 months. After mating, the female carries the developing fetus within her womb during this time. After the gestation period, the female gives birth to a single calf, although twin births can also occur. The birth usually takes place in a concealed location, such as dense vegetation or underbrush, where the calf is hidden from potential predators. The mother provides care for her calf, visiting it periodically to nurse it. Blue duiker mothers are known for their attentiveness to their young, and they invest time and effort in protecting and nurturing their offspring. The calf begins to become more independent as it grows, but it may continue to rely on its mother's care and guidance for some time. Eventually, the young duiker will become more self-sufficient. Breeding pairs of blue duikers often maintain and defend a territory. This territory may overlap with neighboring duikers' territories, but it is primarily used for foraging, mating, and raising offspring. After giving birth, female blue duikers can come into estrus again relatively quickly, allowing them to potentially produce multiple litters in a year if conditions are favorable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.